Okay guys, it's a great day to get out and paddleboard, so let's go do it. Let's have some fun. Great day to be out on the board. Awesome. Enjoying a little paddling today. There's someone putting their boat in, get ready to go do a little fishing. Birds are singing this morning, making a beautiful sound today. Really enjoying being out here today. Awesome. Someone's got their own personal little boathouse here. That must be nice. Some pretty homes down here too. There's some geese up there on the hill. And some little geese chicks. Let's look at that hillside over there. Isn't it gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful day. I would love to live on this lake. That would be so nice. Little beach area here for people to swim in. The cool thing about paddleboarding is you can get in shallow areas, get up real close to things. See what's in the water. Look at all these little cypress tree stumps. At least you've never heard of a cypress tree. They grow in water and or around water, and these little leaves is how they get their oxygen. And they grow extremely slow. Like this cypress tree could be hundreds of years old, literally. And it's pretty, y'all. Very relaxing just to be out enjoying the water. Not really sure what this is right here. Could be a blind for hunting in, but it has no roof on it. Some pretty shallow water right here now.